My name is Tony Skinner. I am a periodontist. I practice in the Minneapolis area. I've been in practice now for about 8 years. We had treatment planned our cases with typical two-dimensional radiography, and it just seemed as though we needed more for our treatment planning and diagnostic purposes, and we wanted to make sure we were state-of-the-art and also treating our patients with the standard of care. It really has just given us, another perspective on how to treatment plan cases, and definitely case acceptance. Patients really understand more what you're talking about when you can show them directly on the scan what's required for the implant care. The 3D imaging has greatly improved our ability to diagnose different things in our practice. Periodontal defects are easily diagnosable, particularly furcation-type defects around molars. It's improved our ability to treatment plan and diagnose different ridge deformities. Certainly, cases where there's pathology in the sinus has gone up in our practice. Also identify endodontic lesions on several cases when we're it's a byproduct of doing the scan for a different reason. One of the main questions I had was determining how I would be able to afford it, and it's been eye-opening. It's definitely something I didn't expect, but the overall improvements to the practice and case acceptance that we've had in our office based upon the GALILEOS unit has been staggering. I know one concern people often have with implementing cone beam 3D imagery into their practices is the liability of evaluating or interpreting the image. Fortunately, Sirona has a wonderful training seminar which is included in the cost of the machine. And after we attended the seminar, we felt very comfortable with interpreting most of our own images. Therefore, we don't send as many out as we used to for interpretation by a radiologist. The precision in which we can perform treatment now is unbelievable. When I was a resident in my periodontal training 8 to 10 years ago, I never would have dreamed that we would have this ability at this stage of my career. It truly has been remarkable to be able to treatment plan cases and position implants exactly where you want them to be based upon surgery-guided type technology has truly been remarkable, and the precision in which we can do things now is truly mind-blowing and will only get better, I'm sure, in the future with this technology.